Yo, what is up everybody? My name is Arthur and you clicked on this video to learn how you could get more views on your eBay listings. So let's get straight into it. So the first one is make sure that your pictures are perfect. By that I mean make sure there are no blurs, make sure the camera resolution is the best, and make sure the background is not a distracting background. It's a nice white background. That white background could be optional. I use this right here. I lay this on the ground, and then I put my listings on top of this, and I just take photos to get a nice, good background. I got that at Office Depot for like $2-3, and I literally got it like a year ago, so it's been lasting me a very long time. Number 2, titles. Titles are very important too, because that's what people are going to be searching, okay? So you have to make sure that you can use 80 characters in your title, and you want to make sure you can use all 80. So if you type in only 10 characters and someone else types in 60 characters, the chances of you popping up are less than the person that put 60 popping up, because the person that put 60 has more characters. They have more chances of the buyer typing in keywords of the 60 character person's title, basically. Also make sure that your titles are clear. Make sure people can easily read it. Make sure people could easily understand what it is. And it'll just be easier for you and the buyer. 3, either list more or sell more. I know what you're saying. Arthur, I can't sell more if I'm not getting any views. So what that means is list more. Basically, the more you list, the more you sell. eBay will see this and they'll bump you higher in the search results. So that means if you sell a lot of stuff, your listings will pop up even higher than other people's, basically. So you want to make sure you're listing and selling as much as possible, because that shows eBay that you're active and you're trying to make money, not only for yourself but for them too. Because once you sell something, they make money. So they see that you're trying to make them money and they boost up your listings. And you could do this by turning on offers. I really recommend people turn on offers, because if something's been sitting in your house or warehouse for like 3 months and someone offers you like $2, $3, $5 less than what it actually is, then I would take it, because I would rather sell it right then and there for a couple dollars less than wait a couple months to sell it for full price and just get traffic moving. I want to get moving. I don't want to buy something and hold it for a really long time. I want to buy something and be able to sell it in the next 3 weeks to a month. I don't want to hold it for that long. So that is what you need to try to do. And number 4, the last one, promoted listings. So I did this a couple times when I first started, but then after that I never did it ever again, because I realized that it wasn't really worth it, and it really didn't. I never got one sale with promoted listings. You could try if you put up a product that are many people are selling the same product. You could try doing promoted listings. It's like 5% of what your original price of the item is. So you could try that out. It'll bump up your product in the search results, and I guess you'll get more views from that too. But I don't think it's worth it. You should only do it if you're getting like no views on that one item. And basically, everybody, those are the 4. Let's backtrack. So good pictures, good titles, list more / sell more, promoted listings. Those are the 4 right there. If you are getting no views, then do those 4 and I guarantee you'll get more views, guys. And if you don't, then something's wrong with your listing, or just your eBay store, or the products that you're listing. So you should think about that as well. So anyways, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you really liked it. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you liked it. Comment down below any videos or any questions you have. I'll either make a video or I'll respond to your comment with the answer. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.